Is your Vizio TV refusing to recognize your Ethernet cable even though it's plugged directly into the router? It is incredibly frustrating when you switch to a wired connection for better speed, only to see "not connected" on the screen. Don't worry, because I'm going to show you exactly how to force that connection to work. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Vibes. This usually happens because the TV's internal network card gets stuck in Wi-Fi mode, or the router fails to assign a proper IP address to the wired port. We need to clear those communication errors and bridge the gap. Let's get started. Step 1 is the essential power cycle. Unplug your Vizio TV from the wall and hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 30 seconds. While it's unplugged, disconnect the Ethernet cable from both the TV and the router. Plug everything back in after a minute to clear the temporary memory. Step 2 is checking the indicator lights. Look at the Ethernet port on the back of your TV. You should see a green or orange blinking light. If there are no lights at all, your TV isn't receiving an electrical signal from the cable, which means the cable or the router port is likely dead. Step 3 is the port swap on your router. Routers usually have 4 LAN ports. Unplug the cable from the current slot and move it to a different one. Sometimes a single port on a router can fail while the others stay perfectly fine. Step 4 is the DHCP toggle. Go to your TV menu, select Network, then Manual Setup. Find the DHCP setting. If it is on, toggle it off and then back on again. This forces the TV to ask the router for a brand new IP address. Step 5 is the Wi-Fi forget trick. If your TV has saved Wi-Fi credentials, it might be trying to prioritize the wireless signal. Go to Network, select your Wi-Fi, and choose Forget Network. This removes the conflict and forces the TV to look for the wired path. Step 6 is a manual IP assignment. In the Manual Setup menu, turn DHCP off. Manually enter an IP address like 192.168.1.50. Set the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0 and the gateway to your router's address, which is usually 192.168.1.1. Step 7 is updating the DNS. Even on a wired connection, a bad DNS can stop apps from loading. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary to 8.8.4.4. This connects you directly to Google's high-speed servers. Step 8 is the cable test. Swap your Ethernet cable with a different one, preferably a Cat6 cable. Even a tiny internal break in the wire can prevent the TV from seeing the internet while still appearing physically connected. Step 9 is a router reboot. Unplug your router and modem for 60 seconds. This clears any MAC address filtering issues that might be blocking your TV from the wired side of your network. Step 10 is the factory reset. If nothing else works, go to System, then Reset and Admin, and select Reset to Factory Settings. This will reinstall the network drivers and usually solves any deep-seated software bugs. Here's a pro tip for you. If your Ethernet port is physically broken, you can actually use a USB to Ethernet adapter on some Vizio models. Just plug it into the TV's USB port to bypass the broken internal jack entirely. If you face any difficulty or your TV still won't go online, leave a comment below. I check these daily, and I will reply within 1 hour to help you troubleshoot. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. You've got this, and your streaming will be lag-free in no time.